welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Today I wanted to play with the Danessa Myricks Pride Infinite Chrome Flakes. They're beautiful. Anyway, if you'd like to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Hey everybody, welcome back. I got the new Danessa Myricks Infinite Chrome Flakes in Pride, and I was so excited. I had another look planned, but I got the delivery notification. It was like, change of plans. So I wanted to do a little something like this. Now the placement of the gems is inspired by, let me find the Instagram page, because this artist does such phenomenal placement with gems and pearls and everything, and I'm a big fan of adding them to my look. So I was looking and I was like, and this look was halfway inspired by this artist as well. The Ballerina Bride MUA on Instagram. I'll try to zoom. Can we see? Isn't that pretty? I was like, yes, I love that. So I was just like, let's put it on my. So my lid is primed with the Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas in Fair. And what I'm going to do now is to kind of create that smokiness against the liner. I'm going to take my Lovecraft Beauty Basic Rituals palette, and I'm going to take the shade Waning, which is a black shade, and I'm going to do like my wing eyeliner hack. So I'm just going to take this Elf and J Kiss and J5 brush and dip into this eyeshadow and begin my wing. So I'm just going to take it from the outer corner and flick it upwards, get that shape, and bring it in. Just begin to fill it in. And the beauty of doing this before eyeliner is you can get messy with it and you can clean it up very easily. This is like one of my favorite ways to put down my shape of my liner if I'm doing something like this. Or if I just am in a hurry and don't want to have messed up eyeliner. I'm also going to take this into the inner corner area of my eye to kind of create that cat eye look. I'm just going to take it and do a little triangle. Do a little flickaroo. And just like that, it's cleaned up. I love doing that. To me, it's just like such a time saver. So now I'm going to take my M Cosmetics Illustrative Liner. I had it put away. It's the Illustrative Eyeliner, the brush tip. I love this one. And I'm just going to do my wing. I'm just taking it and tracing it with that eyeshadow, but I'm not going to take it up as far as my eyeshadow because I want it to have like that smoky effect. So I'm just taking it and filling it in and going to fill in that cat eye liner, that inner flick here. Oh my goodness, let's talk about music for a second while I gather everything and get ready. So lately, like the past few days, I've just been listening to Jagged Little Pill, the album by Danessa Myricks, like a lot, and now so many of those songs are stuck in my head. And I'm just like taken back to when I was a young child listening to that with my mom. Like we used to, I mean, we still jam to her music, but I just think about those days when I was little. Okay, so I'm going to take the Pride Infinite Chrome Flakes. I cannot speak today. And I'm taking this e.l.f. brush. It's like gunked up with flakes. So I taught myself something with this earlier. So I'm going to tell you guys because maybe I'm just like don't know what I'm doing, but I didn't know this. So when I'm gonna take the shape, I'm just gonna kind of paint it on, and I'm gonna let it dry before I like blink or anything, and then kind of add more. That way it'll stop from breaking up. I don't want it to look like really, really textured. I just want it to be like foiled. And by letting it dry before you like blink really good, we'll let it foil. I didn't know that. Look at how dreamy these are too. Like, can you see the shift? Like, I'm in love. Okay, so I'm gonna let them dry, and then I'm probably gonna put a little bit more on to make it look super like, I have no words because I just love it so much. Okay, so now that that's dried down, I'm gonna add a little bit more. Okay, I'm gonna let that dry, and then I'm gonna trace it out with my eyelash glue with my rhinestone applicator to start to add the gems. Now that'll probably just be silence and a little background song going on, because I pretty much just put the glue down and then take the pearls, gems, everything, and just place them down. And I'll probably just record till the camera quits and then do the rest of my face and whatnot. Alright, so this is the finished look. I know my camera kind of cut off and that was that, and I didn't really say I was going to do the rest of my face, but anyway, this is the finished look. I love the chrome flakes so much. They're beautiful, and I can't even like begin to like show you how shifty and just gorgeous they are. Like, oh, I love them so much. And this look, I'm just like kind of obsessed. Like, I even put on I know you can't see it, but like I have on like a black dress that kind of like has the cuffs you pull up and whatnot, and I was like, this could be like a Met Gala look or something like that. I don't know. I feel like this would be the amount of extra that I would be if I was going to an event. It's like, yes, it's like nice dress, but also like extravagant makeup just because I'm extra, so you know, might as well. Let me know what you'd like to see next down below, and if you'd like to keep up with my awkward face and shenanigans while I'm not here on YouTube, I'll have all my social medias linked in the description box below. That way you can keep up with me like anytime, and I might actually start to cut back on posting on Instagram just a little bit. I think instead of posting anywhere between 6 and 7 days a week, I might be posting 5 or so days a week. That's like a big cut down for me, but I want to focus more on building up tutorials instead of having to pull all-nighters, so I'm trying to get my stuff together a little bit. And if you'd like to keep up with me while I am here on YouTube, please hit the subscribe button. It means so much to me, and I really appreciate it. And I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope that I'll see you in the next one. Bye!